Hello lovely people, thank you for joining me again. Welcome back. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to make guacamole. Guacamole is a very simple avocado dip that can be used on pita bread, tortilla chips, and on sandwich. To make guacamole, you will need ripe avocados. So guys, I'll be using 2 ripe avocados. They are very ripe, and when you're purchasing your avocados, make sure the stem is still attached to the body of the avocado. If the stem is already removed, you may likely end up with avocado that has some black spots on the flesh. So I'm going to start by cutting open my avocados with a sharp knife. Once my avocado is open like this, I'm just going to take out the pit. And you can use your hand to pull off the skin that is attached to the pit. Just like this. It's as easy as that. And I'm going to use the knife to remove the rest. I have my medium bowl here, and I'm just going to use a spoon to scoop out the avocado flesh. And I will do the same to the rest of the avocados. Once my avocados have been scooped into the bowl, I'm just going to shift this aside. First, you need about 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. And I'm going to use the fork to mash the lime juice together with the avocados. I'm not going to go wild with the avocados because I love textures, so I'm not going to be mashing this too much. Next, I'm going to go in with 1 red Roma tomato. So I'm just going to cut my tomato open, then take out the seed. You don't want a watery guacamole. And then I'm going to cut my tomatoes into tiny pieces, just the way you're seeing. And then I'm bringing in the chopped tomatoes. And I'm going to chop up half a very small red onion. And I will also mince in 2 cloves of garlic. Garlic helps to improve the flavor of our guacamole. And I'm going to chop up 1 jalapeno pepper. You can use 2 if you need it really spicy, so I'm just going to take off the seeds. For the garnishing, I'm going to be using fresh cilantro, so I need just 3 tablespoons of this. Now let's gather all the ingredients together. I'm going in with my chopped red onion, finely minced garlic, jalapeno pepper, freshly chopped cilantro, and and a third teaspoon of salt. Once I've brought all the ingredients together, I'm just going to stir and make sure they all combine. Once you've stirred all the ingredients and is well combined, it's time to test your guacamole. And once you're satisfied with the taste of your guacamole, you can decide to save this immediately or simply chill it first in the fridge. And I'm going to place a cling film over my guacamole. Just make sure the plastic wrap sits right inside your guacamole. Now you can place this in the fridge. It's going to keep it fresh for as long as you want. And our guacamole is chilled, so it's still looking very fresh. So guys, your guacamole is ready. You can enjoy this right away with tortilla chips. This is absolutely delicious, guys. You are going to love this. Let me know what you think about guacamole recipe. Leave your suggestion in the comment section, and if you have any question, let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Until next time, bye for now.